Now, temperature-wise, if you're going to be out tomorrow, out even on Tuesday, we're going to see upper 80s back into the forecast. So dehydration is something that you need to be aware about if you're going to be out in the sun more than 30 minutes. Now, notice how it is 11:30 at night, and we're still talking about temperatures and still into the mid-70s. And as we go to the wall here, we're not the only ones dealing with the heat, and then we're going to track those showers and storms we were talking about earlier. But out to the west, they're still dealing with 80s and mid-80s up near Chicago, currently 84. But if you look near Cleveland, a little bit cooler, 79, 74 in Pittsburgh, the same here in the valley. So cooler temperatures tonight. I say cooler, but we're only talking about the low 60s. But these clear skies and the sunshine returning tomorrow is what's going to fuel all that heat. Now, we are tracking some storms mainly up in Wisconsin. That's going to push through the northern part of Michigan and out of the area. We're not expecting any rain for tomorrow. All of that is being fueled by the battle between the warm air over us and the cool air over Canada, and it's going to remain up to the north of us. But check out where we are. The Great Lakes region, not a cloud in the sky. Also, if you look in the northeast, same conditions. Down to the deep south, seeing a few clouds, but Great Plains, just a few clouds as well. Dry conditions for most of the eastern part of the United States, and that's going to stay here in the same here in the valley. Now, we'll play it out in Future Tracker. Take our time with this because a lot of this is going to change over the next 48 hours. We're looking at first news at 5, right around into the mid-60s. So Rich is going to start the day off tomorrow with you and talk about the warm start to our work week and then the warmer temperatures back into the forecast. By the time we get into the early afternoon, we're already dealing with the mid-80s in our forecast. But for tonight, we're looking at lows right around 65 degrees, mainly clear skies, just a few clouds in the sky, calm winds. But tomorrow, winds pick up a little bit, but we are tracking warmer temperatures. Now, notice how there's a slight blip of green. I don't expect any showers for tomorrow. I believe that's just cloud cover that radar is picking up on. And our dry conditions, well, they're going to stay into the early part of Tuesday as well. Upper 80s is our high tomorrow. It's going to be a hot one with the sunny skies. A perfect day to get out and enjoy the pool weather. But Tuesday afternoon, not going to be the case. We're going to start the day off warm again, up near 70 degrees by 6 a.m. And then we're just going to climb from there back into the mid-80s, even into the upper 80s. But notice how we go throughout the afternoon hours, even into the evening hours. Now, those showers and the possibility of a few storms will continue, but those are going to be pop-up showers. We know the atmosphere is conducive for these, but where they fire and when, well, all we know is it's going to be somewhere in the afternoon. Now, Comfort Tracker, we are going to see near pleasant to sticky conditions on Monday, but the humidity ramps up on Tuesday until those showers give us some relief. But Wednesday, we're tracking more showers, even more storms. Now, that will cool us off a little bit. We go from highs into the upper 80s for Monday and Tuesday, back down into the mid-80s by Wednesday, Thursday, and cooler temperatures still above average, but we are also tracking showers and storms heading into the weekend. You're watching 27 First News at 11. We'll be right back.